There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Dodge Durango SXT in diamond black crystal pearl. With LED daytime running headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, bright side roof rails, rear window wiper and washer, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, power 8-way driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 52,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, 9 ALPINE audio system, selectable steering modes, split folding rear seats, third row seating, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6119A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.